Sixth question. The sum of third and the eighth term of an AP is 7 and the sum of 7th and 14th term is -3. Then find the 10th term. See dear student, sum of third and eighth term, that is T3 plus T8 is equal to 7 and T7 plus T14 is equal to -3. This is given. And what we have to find out? We have to find out T10. Now dear student, we have to find out T10 means we have to use the Tn formula, and for finding out Tn formula we must know the values of A and D. Now dear students, see here, first information is given, that is T3 plus T8 is equal to 7. Now directly I write here Tn formula for T3. It is A plus n minus 1 into D plus T8 A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 7. Now see here, A plus n means 3, T3 minus 1 into D plus this A plus T8 means 8 minus 1 into D is equal to 7. Therefore this A plus 2D plus A plus 7D is equal to 7. Now see here, this A plus A, it is 2A plus 2D plus 7D, it is 10D is equal to, 2D plus 7D, it is 9D is equal to 7. Dear student, this is equation number first. Now this is given. Now see here, similarly T7 plus T14 is equal to -3. Now dear students, see here, A plus n minus 1 into D, this is for T7, plus A plus n minus 1 into D, this is for T14 and it is -3. Now see, A plus n is 7 minus 1 into D plus A plus n means 14 here minus 1 into D is equal to -3. Now A plus 7 minus 1, it is 6D plus A plus 13D is equal to -3. Now this A plus this A, this is 2A plus 6D plus 13D, it is 19D is equal to -3. Dear student, this is equation number second. Dear student, instead of writing T3 separately, T8 separately, I write here together. I think everyone understood this. This is simple thing, very easy thing. Therefore, I write like this. I think everyone understood this. We got here two equations. Now these two equations we have to solve. Now what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. Therefore, dear student, subtract second from the first. Second from first. Therefore, we write here, or the first from the second. Therefore, first of all, we write second equation, 2A plus 19D is equal to -3. Then 2A plus 9D is equal to 7. Now we have to do the subtraction, minus minus minus. Now 2a get cancelled. It is 10d is equal to minus 10 CL. Minus 3 and minus 7, it is minus 10. Therefore d is equal to minus 10 upon 10. Therefore d is equal to minus 1. Now dear student, we got the value of d. Now we have to find out the value of a. Therefore place d is equal to minus 1 in equation first. Now what is the first equation? 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. 2a plus 9 into minus 1 is equal to 7. 2a minus 9 is equal to 7. All of you got this. Therefore 2a is equal to 7 plus 9. Therefore 2a is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 upon 2. Therefore we got here a is equal to 8. Now we got a is equal to 8 and d is equal to minus 1. Now dear student, we have to find out T10. Therefore now T10 is equal to how much? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now Tn means T10 is equal to a is 8 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 1. Now this is 8 plus 10 minus 1, it is 9 into minus 1. It is 8 minus 9. Therefore, dear student, it is minus 1. Therefore, the 10th term is minus 1. See here, this is 8, n is equal to 10 and d is equal to minus 1. This is 8, 10 minus 1, it is 9. Into minus 1 it is minus 9, and here 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. Dear student, this way we get the 10th term from the given information. Now see, I repeat, this T3 we can find out separately, T8 separately, and then we can apply. But here it is very easy, therefore I apply at the same time. I think everyone understood this. Very simple, very easy. Now we have to see the next sum, that is 7th one. Now 7th one is also very important. See the 7th one. In an AP, the first term is minus 5. First term, that is T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 5. And the last term, that is Tn is equal to 45. Now, sum of all the numbers in an AP is 120. That is Sn. Sum of all the numbers, we don't know how many numbers are there. Sn is equal to 120. Then how many terms are there and what is the common difference? Dear student, first term we know it is minus 5. Tn is equal to 45 and sum of that number is 120. We have to find out how many numbers are there. Dear student, Sn is given, and at the beginning I told you that there are two formulas for Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into a plus l. This is a one formula and general formula we are using regularly. Here n upon 2 is equal to a. A means the first term and this l is the last term. Therefore here we know the last term, we know the first term and we know the sum. Therefore it is very easy to find out and therefore we have to use this formula. Dear student, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. Sorry, here we have to use which formula? A plus Tn, or we can write L into n upon 2 into A plus Tn. Now Sn is given, it is 120 is equal to n upon 2. We have to find out the value of this n, and here A means the first term, it is minus 5 plus last term is 45. Very simple, very easy. Now this 120 into 2 is equal to n. Got it? This I take out this 2 on this side. Therefore 120 into 2 into n minus 5 plus 45. Minus 5 plus 45, it is 40. Now dear students, see here 120 into 2 divided by 40 is equal to n. This 40 we take on this side. The 0 get cancelled. 4 1s are 4, 3s are. Therefore 3 into 2 is equal to n. Therefore 6 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 6. That means in that AP there are total how many terms are there? 6 terms are there. Now we have to find out the common difference. Now dear student, how to find out the common difference? That means we have to find out the value of D. Now for that purpose, what we have to use? We can use Tn formula. Now see here, Tn is equal to, or we can use Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now Tn is how much? 45 is equal to A. First term is minus 5 plus n. Now dear student, we just know that there are total 6 terms, that is Tn is the 6th term. Therefore 6 minus 1 into D. Therefore 45 is equal to minus 5 plus, it is 5D. Now 45 plus 5 is equal to 5D. It is 50 is equal to 5D. I think everyone got this. Minus 5 plus 5 this 5D. Therefore 50 upon 5 is equal to D. Therefore 10 is equal to D. Therefore D is equal to 10. Therefore dear student, final answer is there are how many terms? 6 terms, and the common difference, therefore we write n is equal to 6 and D is equal to 10. This is our final answer. Write down this sum in your notebook. We can solve this by another method also, but this is very easy method, therefore we have to follow this method. Go through this sum again and write it in your notebook. Now we have to see the next question, number 8.1. Sum of 1 to n natural numbers is 36. Then find the value of n. See, sum of 1 to n natural numbers. Sum of 1 to n natural numbers is 36. Then we have to find out the value of n. Now see here, 1 natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and n. That means this is an AP. In this, first term will be a 1 and common difference will be a 1, and Sn is given, it is 36, and we have to find out n. Here this is an AP where A is equal to 1, D is equal to 1 and Sn is equal to 36, and we have to find out n is equal to how much. Dear student, we have to use the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now see here, Sn, that is 36, is equal to n upon 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1. Now see here, 36 is equal to n upon 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. Dear student, these two we can take here. 36 into 2 is equal to n into 1 plus n. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and this n as it is. Now 72 is equal to n plus n square. Therefore, dear student, we got here n square plus n is equal to 72. Therefore, we can write here n square plus n minus 72 is equal to 0. Now see here, n square plus n, this minus 72 is equal to 0. Now dear student, this is an quadratic equation. Now this equation we have to solve by factorization method. Now tell me the factors of 72 whose subtraction should be 1. Very easy. Yes, it is 9 and 8. Sign of this minus is there, therefore the plus, and here it is minus. Now see here, if the sign of the constant term is minus, then we give the sign of the middle term to the bigger number and opposite to that to the smaller number. Now see, n square plus 9n minus 8n minus 72 is equal to 0. See here, we take out n as a common, therefore n plus 9 minus 8 n plus 9 is equal to 0. I think everyone understood this. Now see here, n minus 8 into n plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore n minus 8 is equal to 0, or n plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore we got here n is equal to 8, or n is equal to minus 9. Therefore n is equal to minus 9. Therefore n is equal to 8. That means sum of 8 numbers is how much? 36. Dear student, very simple, very easy and interesting sum is there. Now we have to start with the 9th one. That is also important one and most easier. Now see, we have to start with the 9th sum. As a point of exam view, it is important one. See the question. Now all these are important one. Divide 207 in 3 parts such that all parts are in AP and product of 2 smaller parts will be 4623. 4623. Dear students, see what is given. One number is given 207. This number we have to divide it into 3 parts, and that 3 parts are in an AP. That means suppose 10 is given, and if we have to divide this 10 into 3 parts, that is 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3 plus 5, it is 10. Got it? Here 2, 3, 5, these are the 3 parts. We make the sum of these 3 parts is a 10. Got it? Now same way, what we have to given, that we have to divide this 207 into 3 parts. That means in short they say that the sum of 3 number is 207 and that 3 numbers are in AP. Got it? Simple, easiest way. What they given? Divide this 207 into 3 parts. Suppose 10 we have to divide, that means we have to find out the 3 numbers whose sum is 10. Therefore we take 2, 3, 5. We can take many numbers. Got it? But that number, condition is that 3 numbers must be an AP. Therefore we have to take 3 numbers and the sum of that 3 number is 207. This is the simple information. Therefore, let the sum is 9. Let the three parts of 207 are A minus D, A and A plus D. Very simple thing is there. That means three numbers in an AP whose sum is 207. Now from first condition, from given condition, that is sum, that is A minus D plus A plus A plus D is equal to 207. Now dear students, see here, A plus A plus A minus D plus D is equal to 207. 3A plus D minus D 0 is equal to 207. Therefore A is equal to 207 upon 3. 3 6 and 3 9. Therefore A is equal to 69. Yes student, see. Here sum of all these three numbers is 207. It is given, but it is in a different way. That means 207 we divided into three parts. That three parts are A minus D, A and A plus D, because these are in AP. Therefore, by using this condition, remember three parts means sum of that three parts is 207. Now from this we got A. Now see what is the condition. Second condition. From what is second condition? Second condition is that, and the product of two smaller parts will be a 4, 6, 2, 3. Product of the smaller parts. That means these are the smaller, and the product of two smaller parts. Therefore, A into A minus D is equal to 4, 6, 2, 3. 4, 6, 2, 3. Dear student, see here. Product of two smaller part is 4, 6, 2, 3. Now dear student, we got here A into A minus D is equal to 4, 6, 2, 9. We substitute here, value of A is 69. 69 into A minus D is equal to 4, 6, 2, 3. Now this A we know, we write here 69. Now this 69 we have to take on that side. 69 minus D is equal to 4, 6, 2, 3 divided by this 69. Therefore 69 minus D is equal to, if we simplify this, we got here 67. Got it? 67. Now therefore minus D is equal to 67 minus 69. Therefore minus D is equal to minus 2. Therefore D is equal to 2. Now see here, we got A is equal to 69, D is equal to 2. What we have to find out? We have to find out the three parts. Therefore final answer, A minus D is equal to, first A is equal to 69 minus 2 is equal to 67. Now A is equal to 69 and A plus D is equal to 69 plus 2 is equal to 71. Therefore see here, 67, 69 and 71 are three parts of 207 which are an AP. If we make the sum of this, it will be a 207 and the product of these two will be a 4623. Dear student, this is our 9th sum we completed. Go through this sum again and again. These are the important sum and try to solve remaining sums. dear student, remaining sum we will complete in our next video. Till now we completed 9th sum. Go through that, and the first sum, that is MCQ based question, you have to solve. We will see remaining sum in our next video. Thank you.